Android is getting a new feature called Tap to Share. You literally just tap two phones together. Whatever you want to send gets transferred. Contacts, photos, videos, links, all of that. It works a lot like Apple's NameDrop, but it does way more. Here's how it works. You unlock your phone, overlap the tops of both phones together with the screens facing up so you can see both of them, and keep them together until they glow. That glow means the transfer is happening. If it's not working, try holding them back to back instead. And this isn't just for contacts. You can share photos, videos, links, your location, files, basically anything you'd normally share through an app. But instead of messing around with Bluetooth or AirDrop, you can just tap the phones together. The contact sharing is probably the best bit. You meet someone new, tap your phones together, and your contact card pops up on their screen. Name, number, email, all there. They just tap save and it's done. No more typing numbers in or spelling out email addresses. Now, this isn't fully available yet. Google has been spotted building it in the latest code updates, but it hasn't been officially rolled out. Samsung devices are likely to get it first. Your phone will need NFC hardware, which most modern phones have, but some budget ones might not. What do you think? Are you looking forward to this one? Let me know in the comments.